If you're having a code P0456, small evap leak, the first thing you want to do is make sure your gas cap is tight. Make sure it's clicking shut all the way. Mine has been coming on a few times the last couple days. I've checked the fuel cap, tightened it up a bunch of times, cleared the code, and I still keep getting it. So what I'm going to do is going to replace it. I found one on Amazon. It's about 25 bucks. Had good reviews, so it's pretty simple and cheap to replace it. So we're going to do that, clear our code, and see if our issue's gone. We'll just swap this little cable over and we're done.